So this is a sleep mask, and this isn't an ordinary sleep mask. It is one that A, resembles the Apple Vision Pro, and 2, has headphones in it. There's nothing on the screen. It's not actually some kind of AR thing, but it is a fairly common thing that you see on Amazon, and I guess discount stores as well have them. They're not uncommon, but I've always wanted to try one and see, does it actually work, and does it, you know, enjoy your life? The box itself is kind of crap, if I'm honest. It just feels very, I'm sorry to say, it feels very, very Chinese. I don't know, there's something about it that just gives off this vibe of being naff, if I'm honest, just a little bit naff. So let's see what it's like inside. Who knows, maybe it's made of solid gold inside or something. All right, that is extremely simple. It's just right there, front and center. The material on this is really soft. That is something that I'd be comfortable sleeping with. I don't know what else to say about that. That's actually genuinely a surprisingly soft material. You can sort of push your thumb into it, and I kind of like. But what else do we have in this painfully boring box? I'm sorry, this is probably one of the least interesting unboxing experiences I've ever encountered. Anyway, so we got this bag, which is you know what, it's a fairly nice bag. Actually, honestly, premium feeling bag. It's got kind of a, sorry, it's very noisy. It's got a very satin feel to it. And a couple of drawstrings, pull it shut like that. We got user manual, 3D Bluetooth sleep mask. Presumably for no other reason than it's got pads here that shape around your eye rather than being this flat thing that goes across your face. It's actually got some depth to it, and I guess there's less stress in your eyes or something. And of course, wow. Now that's a surprise. This is USB-C, and this instantly propels it ahead of anything else I would unbox, because there's kind of a marker. It's been in a few previous videos where I've decided if something ships with USB-C, then it is automatically more premium than something that would ship with, you know, micro USB or even mini USB, because they are terrible standards. Should we get rid of this? Because, wow. Backdrop. Okay, so the unboxing score. Yeah, this one sucked, let's be real. Not much going on. Cardboard is cool, I guess, but it's laminated, so plastic. You saw it, here are the scores, and let's swiftly move on. But wait, hang on, 10 for economy? Ah, I guess that's what happens when there's literally nothing in the box except the product. Alright, press and hold the power switch from 1.5 to 2. When the blue light flashes mean open. I don't know what that means, but I mean it's connected. I think. Who cares? It's a Bluetooth device. You turn on the Bluetooth, connect. That's how it works. Yeah, there's not a huge amount to this. One thing I'm quite interested in, do these speakers actually sound good? Because if you're wearing these to sleep, you're gonna want to be comfortable, but not just comfortable in that, you know, it's comfy, but you wanna be comfortable in the fact that what you're listening to is not, you know, bursting your eardrums or anything. For the price that these were, I would expect these to be just sort of okay speakers. Now, me personally, I would use brown noise with these because I have some very noisy and annoying neighbors, which you would have heard about in my previous video when I spoke about the Logitech headphones. If you haven't seen that, then the link is right up there. But I would put on my headphones to block out them talking. Previously, it was my AirPods Max, which had the noise cancelling, and that was bliss, and then they died. I got a new pair of headphones. They're not noise cancelling, and I had to put on some brown noise, and it works wonders. I actually use, in fact, regular AirPods Pro. Sticking them in and playing some brown noise is amazing at night. I can fall asleep to that. So having something like this, where I don't need to stick anything in my ear, I can just wrap this round and it's comfy. Heck yeah, I'm gonna try it out. So let's see how it went. But before we do, I wanna try it out here. I assume that's for charging. I assume that's not needed right now. I can stick these on, and that is my thumbnail picture, because these do kind of represent the Apple Vision Pro. I cannot see a thing right now. They're pitch black. They're very comfy. I'm not sure. Feels like they're honestly just going to be slipping off my head quite a lot. That's how it is. This is the state of the channel right now. I'm kidding. This is where we're at. I kind of look like I got a beanie on right now. It's kind of this high-tech beanie. So let's open Spotify. And I'll put on some random music. Songs to sing in the shower. Let's go. I want to hear that when I'm sleeping. Pompeii by Bastille. Right. I'm going to enter the zone and tell you exactly how I feel. Goodbye. Oh wow, okay. I was kind of scared that the headphones were gonna hurt my ears, like physically hurt them because they're pressing against my ears. But when I put my head on the table there, it's a flat surface, it's hard. The padding on the eyes actually help with that, they compensate for that. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of comfy. I could actually sleep here, to be honest. That's nice. Listening to Pompeii, of course. While I doze off to Pompeii, let me tell you about my real-world use of these. They're okay. The speakers are surprisingly decent for what they are, and playing brown noise does a good enough job at covering up intrusive sounds. But they're not as comfy as they could be, or they should be. The ear pads, whatever they aren't padded enough, so after a while they do begin to press on the top of your ear. They also don't sit on or cup over your ears properly, so it tends to slide around your head. I found myself waking up in the mornings to find the mask lying next to me. I'd taken it off during the night and not even realised. A real 6 out of 10 experience, really. I love a bit of Pompeii to comfort me. And yeah, spoilers, they're not AR at all. There's nothing here. There's nothing. It's just headphones, and that's it. Very, very comfy headphones, though. It's kind of like you're wearing something comfy on your feet. I don't know. They're nice. The unboxing, however, was not. This unboxing was nothing. The greatest part is when the headphones stopped working entirely. After a full night's charge, I tried them on again, and after 10 minutes they just cut out for no apparent reason. This happened on multiple occasions, and unfortunately I think it prevents me from recommending them. I just put these on, they're playing Smash Mouth. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Would you want a pair of these? In fact, do you own a pair of these? Let me know in the comments below, and if you do own a pair, do you like them? Do you think they're just kind of a waste of money? What's your thoughts? And if you don't have any, then I mean, leave a comment anyway, because, you know, the interaction's really good. And yeah, if you like the video, if you like it, subscribe if you feel like it, and I will see you in the next video, whenever that may be.